This is why you should never come to Morocco. It gets addictive. Woo!
Hello everybody.
They jump off the rocks to go swimming here, or they go to Peligrosa. The reason why this is called Peligrosa is because it's called dangerous in Spanish. Wake up, enjoy the view. Wake up. Today we're off to the beach. We're in Larache in Morocco, so I want to show you guys how the beach looks like nowadays. You're only allowed 3 people in a taxi, 1 in the front, 2 at the back. To go to the actual beach now is you have to take one of these taxis, go all the way around. I think it's around £5. We've got 4 of us, so we're gonna like tip him a bit extra and we're gonna go from there. How it works now, we've got one of our guys straight down there. We had to get him to walk all the way. Where is he? He's right there. He has to walk all the way past the bridge, as the feds might stop us if we don't do that. So yeah, we're putting a bit of a fast one right now. And we can easily pay for the whole thing, but hey, we want to see what the adventure's like. We want to see what we can and cannot get away with. Another thing as well, it's all baking in here. You have to open the doors. They don't have one of those window winders. They've confiscated it. I think the kids kind of steal it or something. I have no idea. So you got the feds down there. They stop at every checkpoint. There you go, look. They stop everybody. Stop everybody. Go further. Yes, go further down. He wants to be safe. He wants to be safe. He wants to pass the bridge. Alright now, so he has to style out, so he's got to check the bonnet, see if there's a problem, so in case the police comes in asking, oh, why did you stop? Are you trying to pick somebody else up? So now he's styling it out. So this is pretty interesting. I see the technique, I respect it. You know, you got to do it that way, I guess. I mean, yeah, he's risking his work, life, business to try to sneak an extra person in. So hey, I hope he doesn't get in trouble. Yes, well done. Well done. 3 of us now. Sorted. Well, let's hope fingers crossed the police. محمد رسول الله.
وفتي البارج واش برتيني من وقفتي هما اصلا كيهضروا مع اللي داخلين ماشي اللي خارج واش فهمت قلت واش ما كانوش يهضروا معاه.
So he's complaining how making him walk too long.
صافي كامله كنمشيو 5 طاكسي وحضرت انا ب5 بين بلاصه طاكسي.
Oh wow, look at it. It's different for real. شكرا. Oh. Oh, we literally gave him a £5, you know. I was happy to give him extra, but hey, it happens. Woo, let's check out the beach. The beach of Maghreb, the beach of Larache. When you get people coming from London, they normally come to this section behind me. Behind me is called Peligrosa. I'm surprised I still remember it. Yo, it's proper change. It's change. Yeah, easy. Oh yeah, that's another thing. Let me show you guys this. So, back in the days, yeah, there used to be a boat down here. There used to be a boat right there to the other side, and they used to carry everyone to this side here. So now everyone's complaining, saying or asking, why have they stopped the boat? Why have they stopped the service? Because there's supposed to be 15 people on one boat. You know what they've been doing? They've been putting 30 people on the boat, and that boat sunk, and somebody almost drowned. So now the government kind of stopped it because people was not listening to the rules. So now they've banned it. So whose fault is it? Is it the government's fault or is it the people's fault? Both. Is that right? Is that right what I said? Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay.
The problem is the people, not government. Because they used to take 6, they start carrying 15, 20.
Mad.
The boat, you sit in the boat like this.
Yeah.
You come straight with water.
Mad. Pretty boy Momo, pretty boy Muhammad. Hey, look at, yes, what's up, brother? Hey, look at that, you got the twins here. But one belly, one no belly.
One model, one not model.
2 models. Belly model, 6-pack model.
Yeah.
Oh my days, everything is proper change. So this is how it used to be. There used to be like little shops. Little shops around here. So many shops here. There was no seats here. So different.
They open night time here.
Night time here, so you can actually come here. Oh, they've got the snack bars, yeah.
They come here, they can go back here.
That is mad. 10 years ago, it's definitely changed. I mean, of course it's going to change, but look at the place.
Yeah.
It's proper change. But yeah, get a lot of people coming from London, Ladbroke Grove, coming here as usual, wearing their best clothes and blazing up music and all that stuff, and walking like bad boys and that. Let's have a look. Let's get a bit closer. Let's have a look and see. Let's have a quick look. Obviously, hardly anyone's around right now because season's done, isn't it? It's off season right now. Okay, looks like you've got cyclists cycling all day around. Definitely good exercise. Yeah? Jogging, cycling, swimming. Whatever you can do to come over here, do it. If you can. You got people fishing down there. Peligrosa. Okay, let me explain. So, people normally jump off the rock to go swimming here, or they go to Peligrosa. The reason why this is called Peligrosa because it's called dangerous in Spanish, the dangerous beach. Why is it called the dangerous beach? Because there's lots of waves, and sometimes when the tide comes, it drags you all the way back from underneath, and you might drown. Talking about that, I almost drowned. I promise you, my life, I almost drowned. 2 people behind me drowned, and I managed to make it out. Why? Because as the wave was coming towards me, man, just kept my body straight, surfed with the wave, and I survived. No word of a lie. Well, let's go. Peligrosa, let's go. Woo! Oh, feels perfect.
Hello, everybody.
Hello, motherfucker. What they normally do, they normally surf with the waves. Let's see if he does that. I know he's gonna do it. Here we go. Watch him surf. He's gone. No, there you go. I told you. That's how you do it. He swims good. Look. Hey. Alright, watch me. I'm gonna do it as well. I'm gonna put my GoPro away. I want to go swim. This is what it's like. Body surfing is the most funnest part. Now time to swim and jump off the rocks.
For me?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, cool.
Oh, hard. The phone, bro. Oh my days, my heart's gonna beat.
You see the little crabs there, bro? Don't worry about crabs. They won't come here, run.
Allahu Akbar!
Allahu Akbar.
Allahu Akbar!
Oh,
Oh!
Sometime in May, would you?
Alright, listen. I'll slip, bro.
Don't slip.
Someone's biting my toe as well.
Hold it, please.
Nah, I ain't holding shit, bro. I ain't holding shit, bro.
Oh, no.
Get that, bro. I dare you. Do it for the video.
The good thing about this beach, it's got restaurants all by the beach. You've got their fake one. You've got their famous dishes, their tagine pots, all kind of food, drinks, place to chill, vibes. We're gonna eat at home though, yeah, because we've got a lot of food. The only thing we can probably get here is probably a drink. You guys thirsty?
Yeah, let's get some.
Yeah, let's get some water. Should we get a drink? Thirsty, no? Yeah, it's down there. Well, anyway, I don't know. Okay, pumps in here.
خبز ولا علي بردين ها اختارين في البردين
Okay. واحد بومس
I'll get pumped.
يا انا جاي اوكي look at the kitchen hey.
بومس زيد
بومس و
هواي
highway highway
رايت
what do you guys want
كوكا
highway's nice
Yeah.
yeah highway
كوكا هواي هاك
جوج highway جوج highway واحد بومس euros okay the fridge there you go
صافي
صافي let's see so use the lighter open it up hey. pop nice okay perfect شكرا
خاوي غادي تشوفوه هنا
نشبه هنا ها we've got to finish the drinks here and then give him back the glass cheers salud
دابا الوفاء نعم باقي تمسكوا
how you find that drink
Nice.
that name highway it's really well known in Morocco and Boms this is like a fizzy apple juice and that one is a tropical juice
Guys, Larache Beach was lovely. Big waves, cold water, refreshing, warm sun. Subscribe to Stafa is Live to see more of this beauty.
and he says to see more of this beauty of the whole of Morocco yep in Larache right now we've enjoyed the beach everything has slightly changed there's a lot more going on but yeah right oh shit my feet there we go local taxi back in more adventures coming don't forget to subscribe until next time peace brother hey I did say I'm going but we gotta watch this move now so 3 people at the back 1 person at the front we're not supposed to be doing this but hey yes I hide in the middle so let's go let's see what happens oh boy let's hope this lovely driver don't get fined here you go فين الفوطة let's hold hands together let's hide it خبر let's see what happens it's gonna be oh shit yeah oh my god we passed it nice oh he saw us and then he forgot oh they both locked eyes the driver and the police locked eyes and they made it oh damn you don't always have to follow rules you know when you follow rules you get restricted enjoy life a bit beach part is done oh my gosh I am knackered my body's tired smelling like salt tasting like salt now time to go to the hammam if you don't know what a hammam is it's like a big huge sauna steam room we're gonna get ourselves scrubbed massage for £1 you guys want to see that video well, don't forget to subscribe and follow to the next one peace